Hello everybody, back again. This is going to be a different video. And in that video, I'm doing an update to classic video of mine. I got a classic video. One of my popular videos, Celtic Jiggy Thingy. I should have came up with a better title for that, eh? I've always wanted to put more to that. I've always tried, and I've never come up with anything that I was happy with. Till yesterday. Now, this is still really fresh for me, so I will screw it up. But it's something I came up with yesterday that I worked on today. And I have a problem where I'll come up with something, and then I won't touch the Merlin for a week. I'll come back and like, what the hell was I doing? So part of this is because I want to record it. And if it sounds good, I'll put it out there. But it's for me to remember as well. So, that whole Celtic jiggy thing is basically two parts. Now, the plan for that always is like the old Celtic Cape Breton's thing, where you take a bunch of the old songs and you play them through twice, onto the next song, play it through twice. And you have a whole bunch of different songs in that one song type of thing, if that makes any sense. I hope so. So I always wanted different parts for this that I never was able to figure out or get to a point where there was something there that I liked till yesterday. And this, now, like I said in the original video, that I'm sure this is something, and I'm sure I'm stealing it, but we just gotta live with it. So the original was too low here. So those were the two parts. Now I get two more parts now, and they both follow the same format. So the way I've been doing it, it starts off with the two new parts, and then it goes into the old parts. And then from there, I'm really treating this G part as a turnaround where you can throw that in different parts, in between the different parts. Alright, so the new two parts. Threw the old part in there as well. So I'm pretty sure it is a fiddle tune of some sort. I'm sure I heard that somewhere else. So I'll probably stealing that, no doubt. Probably stealing the whole thing from somewhere, I don't know. So, and then the other part. Those are the two new parts. So we're just gonna do quick, not quick, because there will be no tap for this one. Not yet, anyway, because I'm not done with it yet. I still want to find a nice slow intro part. So, no tap for it yet. So the new part. That right? Go straight into the D A there. So let's do that again. G A. So that's the first part. Second part. Those are the new parts. Maybe I will do up a tab this week for this. I can always add to it later on, right? So we'll see where I get with it. Have I already done a Celtic jiggy thing one? I might have. If I had, this will make it so much easier. So when we put that all together, so I like starting with the, and then from there I go into the, and then from there, and then from there, every part you can come back to that G. Let's try it. Let's see how far we get before I screw up. Let's get farther than that. boosting my own horn there. Boosting my own horn, that's not the phrase. Honking my own horn? Patting my own back. I don't care, it sounds good. So, Celtic Jiggy Thing Part 2. I should wait to change it to like Lethal Weapon Part 33.3. Part 2.5. No, not that cool. I got nothing else. Practice patience, have fun. We will see you guys next time. Like I said, I've got some more traditional stuff coming up. Last Train to Poor Valley, which was a Norman Blake, Tony Rice song. Not gonna do it anywhere near as good as them. That's one song we're doing at the jam. Whiskey Before Breakfast. See, nowhere near close yet. But Turkey and Straw took me a week of playing it every day, over and over again to get it, just because of the speed that was needed to get it. So that one will probably be 2 weeks from now. I'll have a lesson on that. Oh no, hopefully do that Last Train to Port Valley first, so that will be up probably next weekend, and whatever else I come across. Alright, again, practice patience, have fun. We will see you guys next time.